Hi everyone. I've spent some time using both the new Apple iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16, both released in September 2024. In this video, I'll share what makes each phone special and how they are different. Whether you want the best features or a simpler option, I'll help you understand which might suit you better. If you want to check the latest prices, I've put Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started. Having used both the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16, I noticed the Pro feels a bit bigger and heavier, measuring 149.6 by 71.5 8.3mm and weighing 199 grams, compared to the iPhone 16's smaller 147.6 by 71.6 by 7.8mm size and lighter 170 grams. The Pro has a sturdy titanium frame, giving it a more premium and solid feel, while the regular iPhone 16 uses an aluminum frame, which feels lighter but less robust. Both phones have glass fronts and backs, with good water resistance, but the Pro's build definitely feels more luxurious in hand. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a larger 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, supporting HDR10 and Dolby Vision, and offers an impressive peak brightness of up to 2000 nits. It has a resolution of 1206 by 2622 pixels, resulting in a sharp 460 ppi pixel density, protected by the advanced 2024 ceramic shield glass. In contrast, the iPhone 16 has a slightly smaller 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen with a standard 60Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, maintaining a similar pixel density of 460 ppi, but without the enhanced brightness or ceramic shield advancements. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 both run iOS 18, with the Pro model upgradable to iOS 18.5. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the Apple A18 Pro chipset built on a 3nm process, featuring a hexa-core CPU with 2 cores at 4.05 GHz and 4 at 2.42 GHz, alongside a 6-core GPU. In contrast, the iPhone 16 uses the Apple A18 chipset, also 3nm and hexa-core, 2 4.4 GHz plus 4 2.42 GHz, but with a slightly less powerful 5-core GPU. Overall, the Pro offers marginally better CPU speed and enhanced graphics performance. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 both are NVMe flash storage with options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, ensuring fast and reliable performance. The iPhone 16 Pro additionally provides a 1TB storage variant, catering to users needing extra space. Both models come equipped with 8GB of RAM, supporting smooth multitasking and app performance. Neither device includes a card slot for expandable storage, so users must choose their preferred internal capacity at purchase. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro offers a higher maximum storage option compared to the iPhone 16. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a more advanced triple camera system compared to the iPhone 16. It includes a 48-megapixel wide sensor with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom and OIS, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for enhanced depth sensing. In contrast, the iPhone 16 has a dual-camera setup with a 48-megapixel wide sensor, featuring sensor shift OIS and quad-pixel PDAF, plus a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, lacking the telephoto and LiDAR capabilities of the Pro model. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a 12-megapixel wide selfie camera with PDAF and optical image stabilization, OIS, enhancing focus speed and reducing shake for clearer shots. It also includes an SL3D depth biometric sensor for advanced facial recognition and improved depth effects. Video capabilities support 4K recording at up to 60 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR and spatial audio for richer multimedia experiences. In contrast, the iPhone 16 offers a 12-megapixel wide front camera with HDR and 4K video recording at 30 or 60 FPS, but lacks OIS, PDAF, and the advanced 3D depth sensor found in the Pro model. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a 35 and 82 mAh Li-ion battery with wired PD 2.0 fast charging, reaching 50% in 30 minutes, and supports 25-watt MagSafe wireless, 15-watt Qi 2 wireless, 15 watts wireless charging, China only, along with 4.5 watts reverse wired charging. In contrast, the iPhone 16 has a larger, approximately 4300 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, offering around 30 watts wired fast charging, and supports both MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging. Overall, the iPhone 16 offers a bigger battery and slightly faster wired charging, while the Pro model provides more diverse wireless charging options. After using both the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16, I can say each has its strengths. The iPhone 16 Pro offers a better camera system and a more premium build, great for those who want the best features. The iPhone 16 is still powerful and more affordable, perfect if you want a solid phone without extra bells and whistles. Ultimately, choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Check out the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices.